2 days after three civil services aspirants drowned in the basement of a coaching institute in Old Rajendra Nagar, many students in the area and Mukherjee Nagar, another coaching hub, continue to live in illegally rented basement accommodations at great risk to their lives. Post of paragraph. When the Hindu visited the two coaching hubs, many students who live in basement paying gets accommodations talked about the experience of living in congested, poorly ventilated spaces where a heavy spell of rain means wading through knee-deep water, suffering electric shocks, and getting stuck in basements. Pusta paragraph. Renting out basements as PGS is unlawful as the Master Plan for Delhi 221 permits such spaces to be used only as storage, parking, and utility areas. 30 students were trapped in Rao's IAS study circle in Old Rajendra Nagar's basement turned library on Saturday evening after it got flooded with rainwater. One student was fished out while three did not survive. During the rescue operations, the authorities shut off the power supply to prevent electrocutions, which caused the biometric controlled door to shut. Rescuers had to pry open the door to access the inundated basement. Get locked in basement. Sakshi, as 25-year-old civil service aspirant from Patna who lives in a PG in Old Rajendra Nagar, said the coaching institute she goes to also has an access controlled gate leading to the library located in the basement of a multi-storied building. First of paragraph. The door has a manual as well as an electronic door lock, but the latter malfunctions on most days. Sometimes during power outage, we get locked in the basement until someone opens the manual lock. She added. Full in a PG in Old Rajendra Nagar, a 15-minute walk away from Rao IAS study circle. A foul smell from the lack of ventilation hung heavy in the windowless basement room of 23-year-old Khushbu Sharma from Assam. She shares the room with 7 other women. Full stop.